I'm Connor Hollingsworth here in Norfolk. Now we're about halfway through the 100 deadliest days of driving for teens. So I thought I'd break down some crash data from the first 50 days and talk with some safety experts about how our younger population can stay safe out on the roads.
There's no reason to be an unsafe driver by way of impairment in this day and age. You've got tons of options available to you.
You may have seen us talk to Mike Goodove before. As a lawyer, Goodove specializes in automobile negligence cases. For some, it's just a job, but for him, it's personal.
When I was in law school, my younger brother was killed by a drunk driver.
Goodove's brother Jeffrey was in college at the time.
He was headed back from the library with some friends in a vehicle, and a drunk driver with underage people in the car who were also drunk ran into him and killed him and severely injured others in the car.
We are now in the middle of the 100 deadliest days for these young drivers. For Memorial Day, up until this halfway point, there have been nearly 4,500 crashes in Virginia involving a teen driver.
There have been 8 fatalities, and half of those 4 fatalities were actually teens themselves.
In the full 100 days in 2023, there was just over 9,700 crashes involving teen drivers. So if the crash rate continues at the same pace, the full number for the 100 days this year should be lower. Some more good news? In the city of Virginia Beach, crashes involving alcohol are down year to year. The bad news? We recently received the drug-related crash stats from things like marijuana in the same city. Those are up 15%.
The thought is, because you don't have the specific testing, that you can beat a charge like that, and I'm not seeing that in the courts.
So with school out for the summer, if you're young and want to have fun, Goodove and Ryan Adcock with AAA Tidewater ask that you drive and carpool responsibly.
In general, just taking it easy, not getting too ahead of yourself, and really just not putting yourself in an unnecessarily uncomfortable situation.
We have the tools to prevent this, and the tools are slow it down, drive safer, and pay attention.
In Norfolk, Connor Hollingsworth, News 3.